Hello guys and welcome back to another video. In today's tutorial, I will show you how to blur any object, person, face, car number plate, or anything else in a moving video using CapCut. This method is very simple and works perfectly even if the object is moving throughout the video. So without wasting any time, let's get started. First of all, open the CapCut app on your phone and select the video in which you want to blur a specific object. Once you import the video, it will appear on your timeline. Now tap on Overlay and then select Add Overlay. After that, choose the same video again and add it as an overlay above the original video. Make sure the overlay video covers the entire duration of your main clip. Next, tap on the overlay video and go to Effects. From there, select the blur effect and apply it to the overlay video. You will notice that the entire overlay becomes blurred. Now, while the overlay is selected, swipe through the options at the bottom and tap on Remove BG. Here, choose Custom Removal. Using your finger, carefully select the object or area that you want to blur, such as a face, number plate, logo, or any other item. CapCut will now process the selected area and isolate it from the rest of the video. Once the processing is complete, you will see that only the selected object remains blurred while the rest of the video stays clear. If the object moves throughout the video, you can adjust and track the blur position by moving the overlay or using keyframes to make sure the blur follows the object accurately from start to finish. And that's it. That's how you can easily blur any object in a moving video using CapCut. This is a great technique for protecting privacy, hiding sensitive information, or creating professional-looking edits. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to leave a like, subscribe to the channel, and turn on notifications so you never miss any future CapCut editing tips and tricks. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.